We are pumping lightning and thunder in the 44212, no doubt about it. It is picking up. We are Helen Hunt and we are chasing storms. We got our thingy R2-D2 on the back, ready to fly if the funnel wants to give it a try. We are your prize. Here we are. Wow, would you look at it? Did you see it? Yep, you saw it there. First and live, and the coverage continues. We're gonna Dick Goddard this one into the fucking early AM. We are stacked, we are live and fluent. God is up there just bowling his 300 or something, collecting rings. He's the champ. He's coming down. I don't know if that's hail or not. Let's make it drop. He's a beautiful creator. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's totally incredible.
I've never seen anything such like this in my life. I lived here for so many years and never seen anything like the lightning and the thunder. It's crazy. You got to think maybe the world's ending or something like that. It's gonna be a different concept.
Well, back at you. Not sure who the guy they interviewed was. It may be a resident, not sure. Maybe take that cigarette and just put it out and give it a rest, because God's upstairs doing the best. Wow, look at the sky fly. You got lightning crisscrossing in your eye. That's something special. That's something you don't want to fuck with, because if you do, your bucket gets on the bucket bumper list and you get pulled over for anything at that point. Jeez. You won't be able to Helen Hunt shit. No tornado for you, no matter how fast it goes. Picking it up. He must be on stage or something, because he's up there giving it pumping. He's your God. He's your creator. And it looks like across the street is blacked out. Their power is toast. Wow. It's so cool. Got the storm coverage. Yeah, check how much it would be to cost to get that Hunt on the show, because Helen Hunt's got titties like you wouldn't know. Bam! I've had a crush on her since Suzanne Summers. My goodness. Pop it up there. That's our God. Look across the street there in the dark. Doesn't look like it's about to get tornado, but maybe a hurricane or something. Look at that little fucking passageway. I don't know if it's a portal or if it's a sea ortal. Maybe it could. I don't know. God's saying no. You can see the response lighting back. Wow, he's putting pressure on everything up in the sky. Flat earthers are about to cry, man. It's gonna be something else. Sight to see. A surprise.